All right, this is the President of the United States talking back in the early 1900s. His name is Woodrow Wilson. He's about to tell you how they're about to create the Social Security system. You're going to hear the man's own confession. All right. I know it was 100 years ago, but 100 years later, here we are still dealing with this illegal system that was set up back in the early 1900s. Okay. So my job is to help you all understand what's going on. Fruit from a Poisonous Tree by Melvin Stamper. It's an amazing book. It'll change your life. You'll realize what's going on around you, and you'll wake up.
From Edward Mendell House, and what he had to say in a private meeting with Woodrow Wilson, president between 1913 and 1921, from the private papers of Woodrow Wilson. Quote, "Very soon, every American will be required to register their biological property in a national system designed to keep track of the people, and that will operate under the ancient system of pledging. By such methodology, we can compel people to submit to our agenda, which will affect our security as chargeback for our fiat paper currency. Every American will be forced to register or suffer not being able to work and earn a living. They will be our chattel, and we will hold the security interest over them forever by operation of law merchant under the scheme of secured transactions. Americans, by unknowingly or unwittingly delivered the bills of lading to us, will be rendered bankrupt and insolvent, forever to remain economic slaves through taxation secured by their pledges. They will be stripped of their rights and given commercial value, designated to keep us a profit that will be none the wiser. For not one man in a million could ever figure out our plans, and if by accident one or two would figure it out, we have in our arsenal plausible deniability. After all, this is the only logical way to fund government, by floating liens and debt to the registrants in the form of benefits and pledges. This will inevitably reap us huge profits beyond our wildest of expectations, and leave every American a contributor to this fraud, which we will call social insurance. Without realizing it, every American will insure us for any loss